Samsung finally announced the official rollout of One UI 7 starting from the 7th of April, which, nice pun intended guys. This here is my S25 Ultra and this thing here is my washing machine. So, what does my washing machine has to do with Samsung rolling out One UI 7 for the S24 series, the Z Flip, the Z Folds there, and of course the legend Galaxy S23 Ultra. Guys, let's find out. Yesterday, Samsung announced the really official rollout plans for the One UI 7, starting from April 7, and I kind of liked it. Like, yeah, on April 7 we're starting the rollout of One UI 7, and of course there is some quite interesting information inside for Galaxy S24 users, Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. If we are to even use the Galaxy AI on Summarize, like AI powered feature, we're gonna see. They're gonna do it on the 7th of April. The update includes initially the S24 series, the Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, and there are some key features. Okay, new home screen redesign widgets, the convenient navbar for lock screen updates, the AI-driven experience like AI Select and Writing Assist, which are things we've been using already in S24 Ultra since Galaxy A has been introduced. But then One UI 7 offers some new creative tools, such as the Drawing Assist and the Audio Eraser for enhanced content editing, along with deeper Google Gemini integration. And guys, don't get me wrong, this is important and also absolutely on par with Google's latest offerings in the Pixel and also what Apple is doing with iOS and iPhones. There is something important though, and this is the natural language search within settings, because right now I don't think a lot of people are talking about this. And what do I mean, guys, by talking about this? Now, if we are to just down select all the features like AI Select, Writing Assist, the Drawing Assist, the Audio Eraser, Google Gemini, and also the natural language search, you're gonna see that Samsung added very cleverly, by the way, all these annotations here like 3, which is gonna be AI Select 4, which is Writing Assist, Audio Eraser, which is 6, and the natural language search, which is 8. And then, guys, like the fun part starts down below the official media message. Availability may vary by market. Availability of functions supported within the apps may vary by country. So it's like they're saying, hey, you know, you're gonna get this, but then they're saying it depends really on what type of phones you're using, in which type of country. It's a combination of 1,001 million things. And of course, the model that you have. But the good news is Writing Assist is gonna be available for S24 series, S23 series, S23 FE, the Z Fold 6 and Z Flip, guys. Also some guys with Tab S10s. The Drawing Assist is going to be available again for the same phones, same models, guys. But the Audio Eraser is available for S24 series, S24 FE, and that's pretty much it, guys. Which means no Audio Eraser for the S23 series. And if we go down, we can see for feature number 8, which is the natural language processing, yeah, it's available in Galaxy S24 series, the 24 FE, and yeah, again, no S23 series. And this gets me back to the video with the washing machine, guys, because let me play this video to you. I just want to illustrate this feature and why this feature is important.
So, what does my washing machine...
I mean, as you can hear, the video is pretty much unusable with that amount of sound, harsh sound coming from my washing machine. So on my S25 Ultra, or let's say on my S24 Ultra, if I go inside the edit, I can click here, right? And then I can engage with Audio Eraser. So Audio Eraser, again, some nice AI magic to reduce harsh sounds, wind sounds, any type of sounds from your videos, and also pump up your voice. I'm just going to hit auto, guys, all right? Just one button and just hear the output.
Samsung rolling out Samsung...
Like magic, right?
So,
all right?
what does my washing machine...
This is now here, guys. What happens when I amplify the sound of the washing machine? Crazy. And this is, guys, when I'm using Audio Eraser, all right? And now I can even go and pump up my voice. And you can see, this is really a very good feature, by the way. And it's gonna work all type of noises, guys. So it's gonna be wind noises, crowd noises, so it's really useful. The other thing would be the natural language understanding and search. And if you go inside the settings on the S25 Ultra and the S24 Ultra, but it doesn't really work right now on the One UI 7 Beta 5, you can see that I can just talk to my phone like a normal person, and it's going to hopefully understand me. Like, for example, how can I turn my volume down? All right, and see, right, it understands what you really want. For example, make scrolling smoother. If I select this, it's gonna give me all kind of settings that, you know, touch base on smoothness, like motion smoothness, but also video stabilization, right? Even things inside the general management like mouse and trackpad. It is really a good thing to have, and it's not going to work on the S23 Ultra, which is, I think, kind of a bummer. Let me show you something else. How can I control my screen time? And directly, guys, I'm gonna get here a setting, right, like on the display, set time, and also screen time goal on digital well-being. So I'm only bringing this up because, you know, natural language understanding is really a key thing right now in the AI era that really allows you, the user, to speak to whatever uses AI, you know, using your own language and not just speak like a robot, like turn off screen, volume down, volume up. No, we can just like, hey, you know what, like, this music is too loud, can you do something about this? Stuff like that. Apparently this is not going to work on S23 Ultra together with the audio eraser. I don't have the answers why. I don't really think that's like exclusive to the 8th Gen 3 and 8 Elite. This doesn't really make sense, although a lot of this AI stuff, probably NPU, is included in some of the latest chips, but it's probably Samsung really trying to gatekeep some of the features for the S24 and S25 and Z series, guys, which is a bummer, right? But anyway, I wanted to make this video and let you know. So this is kind of the latest news around One UI 7. The good thing is that they're saying, hey, you know, you are gonna get it starting 7th of April. But then make sure you have the correct phone, make sure that you live in the right country, make sure that you live in the right region, and make sure that you have the right model of your phone. So there are so many other unknowns here that I would expect some people will be happy, some people will not be happy. Anyway, this is the latest news on One UI 7, and this is Audio Razor. Sadly, it's not going to work for S23. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you like videos like this, just go and watch some of my previous stuff. VST over, and bye.